Welcome back, tech lovers. In today's video, we're diving into 8 of the coolest and smartest gadgets of 2025 that you've probably never seen before. From a futuristic vest that literally cools your body to a bike pump that doubles as a taillight, these inventions are built to make life easier, smarter, and way more exciting. Whether you're into adventure or just love staying ahead of the curve, this list has something that'll blow your mind. So sit tight, you don't want to miss this. Experience immersive visuals anywhere with the VITURE Pro XR Glasses, delivering a massive 135-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and edge-to-edge clarity. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, the advanced micro OLED panel ensures sharp visuals even for small text. Built-in myopia adjustments offer personalized comfort, while electrochromic film blocks nearly all external light for full immersion. These glasses feature rich, private stereo audio by Harman and connect to USB-C devices like Android, iPhone, MacBook, and consoles. With the Spacewalker app, unlock multiple screens, VR video, and spatial content support. Crafted from aircraft-grade metal with premium titanium hinges, the VITURE Pro is designed for power, style, and long-term durability, all in one sleek wearable. The Tiny Tire Pump 200 by FlexTail, the ultra-compact high-performance electric bike pump built for cyclists who demand power, speed, and safety in one sleek device. Weighing just 130 grams, this mini marvel inflates up to 130 psi and can pump 2 full tires on a single charge, hitting 0 to 100 psi in just 70 seconds. Its integrated LED taillight with 3 lighting modes enhances night riding safety, doubling your pump as a visibility booster. Powered by a precision brushless motor and advanced high-pressure piston system, it delivers pro-level inflation with minimal effort. The LED digital display ensures accurate pressure control for every ride. Whether you're fixing a flat mid-ride or prepping for your next adventure, this pump combines convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind in your pocket. Say goodbye to bulky gear. This is the future of bike maintenance. The ACCELaser HD1, a groundbreaking laser machine designed to make advanced tools accessible to everyone. With dual lasers that handle almost any material, HD1 redefines versatility. Its hybrid synchronized motion system delivers a large 610 305mm workspace with ultra-fast engraving up to 4000 mm/s. Featuring light-up ranging, flying 3D galvotech, and dual-camera positioning, HD1 ensures pixel-perfect accuracy and real-time micron-level precision. Compatible with Lightburn and optimized for batch processing, it supports home businesses and mass production alike. Optional add-ons like a rotary for 360-degree engraving and a conveyor feeder for long projects push creative boundaries even further. The automatic airflow switch handles cutting and engraving in one job seamlessly. With full enclosure and multi-sensor safety, HD1 offers unmatched power, speed, safety, and flexibility all in one machine. The Shark Never Change Compact Pro, a sleek and powerful air purifier built for everyday peace of mind. With CleanSense IQ, you don't have to guess if the air is clean. The built-in display shows your real-time air quality as it improves. Its PureShield filtration system goes beyond HEPA standards, capturing up to 99.98% of airborne particles like dust, smoke, and allergens. And thanks to Never Change technology, you won't need to replace filters for up to 5 years, helping you save around $150 over time. With odor neutralizer tech, it tackles bad smells while releasing a light, refreshing scent. Designed to purify up to 250 square feet, it packs serious power into a compact, quiet unit, perfect for bedrooms, offices, and small living spaces. For a low-maintenance way to breathe cleaner air every day, this purifier makes it effortless. Sick of battling unbearable heat with useless towels and bulky ice packs? Meet ColdSpark, the revolutionary air-conditioned work vest designed for the toughest outdoor challenges. Engineered with dual-mode semiconductor cooling and 50 CFM turbo airflow, it drops your body temperature by up to 18 degrees, 64 degrees Fahrenheit, in just 60 seconds. Its ergonomic T-duct system pushes cool air exactly where you need it, all powered by a standard 12-volt power bank. Built from rugged, abrasion-resistant nylon, ColdSpark features tactical-style pockets and a MOLLE system to carry your tools and survival gear with ease. Whether you're roofing, hiking, or on the job site, it combines smart climate control with military-grade utility. Say goodbye to overheating and discomfort. ColdSpark delivers all-day cooling, high performance, and the freedom to move, work, and breathe. Meet the X-Tool Apparel Printer, the one-click, professional-grade solution for printing on virtually any fabric, light or dark. Whether you're creating merch, launching a clothing brand, or designing custom gifts, just design, click, and press. It supports all fabrics like cotton and polyester with stunning color accuracy, thanks to dual Epson i1600 printheads and G7 certification. Paired with the X-Tool shaker oven, it automates the full workflow printing, film cutting, powder coating, and baking. With speeds up to 50 square feet per hour and a 14-inch print width, it's made for efficiency and high output. It also features 24/7 self-cleaning, moisturizing, and white ink circulation for smooth, maintenance-free operation. Compatible with both Mac and Windows, this compact powerhouse brings commercial-level printing to your desktop or small business. Step into the future of 3D scanning with the Revopoint Trackit, a high-performance, marker-free optical tracking system that blends speed and precision in one powerful package. Built around blue laser technology and a solid carbon fiber frame, this scanner is made for professional results with zero hassle. Paired with a dual-camera base station, it captures every detail from small parts to massive machinery with pinpoint accuracy. No more time wasted on prep work or tricky setups. With 30 cross-line lasers and a single-line mode for deep crevices, it handles even the most complex shapes effortlessly. The smart anchor system ensures perfect alignment, while the free RevoScan software makes editing, measuring, and exporting CAD-ready files a breeze. You can even use it handheld, thanks to its auto-calibration system that slashes setup time in half. Fast, clean, and incredibly precise, Revopoint Trackit is built to elevate your 3D workflow. The Lectron Vortex plug is a game-changer for electric vehicle owners, expanding fast-charging options by unlocking access to over 15,000 Tesla V3 and V4 supercharger ports. Designed exclusively for CCS1 EVs approved by their automakers, this NACS to CCS adapter lets non-Tesla electric vehicles tap into Tesla's powerful charging network. Rated for 500 amps and 1,000 volts, it can charge up to 150 miles in just 15 minutes, depending on the supercharger and vehicle specs. Built tough for durability and safety, the Lectron Vortex plug features secure locking on both ends, ensuring a reliable connection during fast charging. Thanks for watching, Tech Fam. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing gadgets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and drop a comment telling us which gadget blew you away the most. New videos are coming every week, so stay tuned, and as always, stay curious and stay ahead.